Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial I will show you how to fix Battlefield 6 beta crashing after anti-cheat splash screen on PC. So let's jump to the fixes. First solution is to run the game as an administrator. To do so, open Steam, go to library, right click on Battlefield 6 open beta, select manage browse local files. It will take you to the game installation folder. Now here right click on BF6 event exe file, select properties, go to compatibility tab, tick mark run this program as an administrator, hit apply, OK. Now right click on EA anti-cheat game service launcher exe file, select properties, go to compatibility tab, tick mark run this program as an administrator, hit apply, OK. Now you can launch the game and check your problem is fixed or not. Second solution is to change the exploit settings. To do so, in Windows search, type Windows Security and open it. Click on App and Browser Control. Click on Exploit Protection Settings. Now under System Settings, scroll down and make sure Force Randomization for Images Mandatory ASLR is turned off. Now launch the game and check your issue is fixed or not. Third solution is to create a new user account. To do so, click on Windows icon, go to settings. On the left, click on accounts, scroll down, click on other users, click on add account, then click on I don't have this person sign in information. Then click on add a user without a Microsoft account. Now give any username. For example, I am giving test Battlefield test BF6. Now enter any password. Make sure you remember this password. Then in case you forget your password, you have to select the security question and you have to provide an answer, and remember all this security question and answer. Keep a note in another text document or somewhere else, save, and then click on next. And after creating the account, you can then go ahead and log in using with this newly created account, and make sure that you install in Steam. And after installing the Steam, you will have all the games and then you can launch Battlefield 6. Currently the problem is occurring with the Microsoft account which is creating with EA. So once you create a new user account, the issue of the Battlefield 6 crashing after a splash screen will be fixed completely. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and subscribe to my channel, share this video and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. Thank you.